Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks, but also possess the ability to learn, reason, and solve problems. A world shaped by the revolutionary field of artificial intelligence, AI. Today, we embark on a journey to meet the visionary who laid the groundwork for this groundbreaking technology, John McCarthy, the man widely considered the father of AI. John McCarthy's story is one of remarkable intellect, boundless curiosity, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Born in 1927, McCarthy's fascination with mathematics and logic blossomed early. His journey took him to the halls of Caltech and then to Stanford University, where his pioneering work would forever alter the course of technological advancement. In 1955, during a now legendary workshop at Dartmouth College, McCarthy, alongside a group of brilliant minds like Alan Turing, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon, coined the term artificial intelligence. This seemingly simple act marked a pivotal moment, igniting a revolution in computer science and sparking a global conversation about the potential and perils of intelligent machines. So, what made John McCarthy such a pivotal figure in the field of AI? Let's delve deeper into his groundbreaking contributions. The seeds of a revolution. McCarthy's pioneering ideas. McCarthy's vision for AI was ambitious. He envisioned machines that could not only manipulate symbols but also understand and reason with them, mimicking the core functions of the human mind. Here are some of his most impactful ideas that helped turn this vision into a reality. Formalizing intelligence. At the heart of McCarthy's vision was the belief that intelligence could be captured and even replicated using the principles of logic and mathematics. This approach aimed to break down intelligent behavior into a set of formal rules and processes that could be implemented within a computer program. This laid the foundation for the development of logical reasoning systems, a crucial component of early AI research. Imagine an AI system programmed with a set of logical rules that allow it to analyze a situation, identify the problem, and determine the most logical course of action. The power of Lisp. In order to build these logical reasoning systems, McCarthy recognized the need for a programming language specifically designed for symbolic manipulation, the core function of AI systems at the time. Traditional programming languages focused on numerical computations, not manipulating symbols that represented concepts and ideas. In 1958, McCarthy co-developed the programming language Lisp, a revolutionary tool that addressed this critical need. Lisp allowed programmers to create programs that could manipulate symbols and reason with them, acting as a powerful tool for building intelligent machines. While Lisp is not as widely used today, its influence on the development of AI programming languages is undeniable. The concept of time sharing. McCarthy's vision for AI extended beyond isolated single-purpose machines. He envisioned a future where multiple users could interact with a single computer system simultaneously, a concept known as time sharing. This idea was revolutionary at a time when computers were large, expensive mainframes accessible only to a select few. Time sharing paved the way for the development of modern operating systems that allow multiple users to share a computer's resources efficiently. This not only democratized access to computing power, but also laid the groundwork for the development of multi-user AI systems, where multiple users could interact with and utilize an intelligent machine simultaneously. The importance of garbage collection. As AI programs grew more complex, managing memory allocation and deallocation within the program became a significant challenge. Imagine a program constantly creating new data structures without properly discarding unused ones, eventually leading to system crashes. McCarthy realized the need for a system to automatically manage memory within AI programs, freeing developers from this tedious and error-prone task. His invention of garbage collection, a fundamental feature of modern programming languages, automatically identifies and reclaims unused memory within a program, ensuring smooth operation and preventing memory-related crashes. This innovation not only benefited AI development, but also became a cornerstone of modern software development practices. McCarthy's vision for AI emphasized formal logic and reasoning. However, some argue that human intelligence is more than just logic. Does AI need to encompass emotions, creativity, and other aspects of human thought to achieve true intelligence? Is it possible to formalize these more nuanced aspects of human cognition within a computer program? These are just some of the ways John McCarthy's pioneering ideas laid the groundwork for the field of AI. His work continues to inspire researchers and developers today, shaping the trajectory of this ever-evolving field. Beyond the code, McCarthy's legacy and the future of AI. John McCarthy's influence on the field of AI is undeniable. His groundbreaking work not only laid the foundation for future research, but also sparked a global conversation about the nature of intelligence itself. Here's a glimpse into his lasting legacy and the future of AI, a future shaped in part by the seeds he sowed, a legacy of innovation. McCarthy's ideas continue to inspire researchers and developers today. His work on logic, programming languages, and time sharing remains relevant in the ongoing pursuit of ever more sophisticated AI systems. The field of logic continues to be a vital area of AI research, with advancements in logical reasoning systems allowing AI to make more complex decisions and solve problems with greater nuance. Lisp, while not as dominant as it once was, has influenced the development of modern AI programming languages like Python and Prolog, which are widely used in AI research today. The concept of time sharing has become the foundation of modern operating systems, allowing us to interact with powerful computers and utilize complex AI systems seamlessly. The evolving landscape of AI. The field of AI has undergone dramatic transformations since McCarthy's pioneering days. While his work focused on symbolic reasoning, a subfield of AI known as machine learning has emerged as a dominant force. Machine learning focuses on training algorithms from data, allowing them to learn and improve their performance over time without the need for explicit programming. This approach has led to significant advancements in areas like natural language processing, where AI systems can now understand and generate human language with remarkable accuracy, and computer vision, where AI can interpret and analyze visual information like images and videos with unprecedented capabilities. The human touch, the ongoing debate on embodiment and explainability. While machine learning has achieved impressive results, some argue that true intelligence requires embodiment, the ability for an AI to exist and interact with the physical world. McCarthy himself acknowledged the importance of embodiment in later years. This has led to increased research in areas like robotics, where AI systems are being integrated with physical bodies to allow them to interact with the environment in a meaningful way. Another crucial aspect of AI development is explainability. Many machine learning algorithms are complex black boxes. We can see their outputs, but understanding how they arrive at those outputs remains a challenge. This lack of explainability can raise ethical concerns, especially when AI systems are used for critical tasks like decision-making. Researchers are actively developing methods to make AI systems more transparent, ensuring we can understand their reasoning and decision-making processes. The ethical considerations. As AI continues to evolve and become more deeply integrated into our lives, ethical considerations become increasingly important. McCarthy himself acknowledged the potential dangers of unchecked AI and advocated for responsible development. He was a founding member of the Dartmouth Workshop on Artificial Intelligence, which included discussions on the ethical implications of AI research. Today, issues like bias in AI algorithms, the potential for job displacement, and the development of autonomous weapon systems continue to spark debate. As we move forward, it's crucial to develop ethical frameworks and guidelines for AI development, ensuring that AI remains a force for good that benefits all of humanity. John McCarthy's story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. His vision for intelligent machines has become a reality, shaping the world around us in profound ways. The future of AI holds immense potential, but it also comes with challenges. As we move forward, John McCarthy's legacy reminds us of the importance of responsible development, ensuring that AI remains a tool that empowers us, expands our knowledge, and helps us build a better future for all. The father of AI is no longer a mystery. We've explored John McCarthy's pioneering work and lasting legacy. If you found this journey into the history of AI fascinating, leave a comment below and share your thoughts on the future of this revolutionary technology. And if you're curious to learn more about the exciting world of AI, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.